As new people enter your organization, you need to make them productive quickly. This means training them on your processes, coaching them to ramp fast, and making sure they are learning from others during their onboarding. In this video, we'll review 3 example use cases that decrease ramp times for your teams. As your team starts to have sales conversations, you want it to be crystal clear exactly what they need to do. With Troops, proactively engage your team immediately after a meeting with the exact updates they need to make, whether it's logging an activity, updating their opportunities, or sharing feedback from the market. Create custom calls to action tied to your sales process that helps guide reps with the exact information they need to capture on each call, and make it easy for them to take action on any device directly from Slack. As you capture conversation outcomes, circulate them to managers so that they can coach to your sales process immediately following conversations. By condensing feedback cycles and tying them directly to action, reps will learn more quickly and ultimately improve your bottom line. Troops customers report a 10 to 20% decrease in account executive ramp times. These are just a few example workflows that will get your team productive faster. With Troops, you can customize everything to the unique needs and Salesforce instance of your business. Join the fastest growing modern sales organizations and get started today at Troops.ai.